Today I am making lemonade. All you need to make this recipe is lemon juice, sugar, water, and ice. Now I'm gonna take the saucepan and put half cup of sugar inside and half cup of water inside. Guess what? We just made simple syrup. Now we're going to heat over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Juice 3 lemons to get at least half cup of lemon juice. Also, I sliced a piece of lemon for decoration at the end. Alright, I'm done my juicing. Now I'm gonna go check my syrup. It's gonna look like this when it's done, and make sure there's no sugar inside, like no sugar. And we're going to let it cool down for a few minutes. Now that the syrup is cooled down, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water in a big bowl, and I'm gonna add my lemon juice, and now my syrup. Now we're gonna mix it very well. Now I'm gonna get 3 cups and pour this in. All done. Now I'm gonna add each cup to ice. Oh, it's gonna stick. Alright, I'm gonna each cup. This is hard. The ice is sticky and slippery. I'm going to add 1 slice of lemon to make it taste a little more when you drink. Did you know that lemonade is a very good and healthy drink in the supermarket? This is a very refreshing drink. And lemonade is high in vitamin C. I hope you enjoyed. You should try this. And don't forget to hit that big like button and press that red subscribe button down below.